When replacing worn and dirty carpet isn't in the budget, people want to know what's the best way to clean it. You can rent carpet cleaning machines from retail and rental stores for this job, but oftentimes the cleaning solutions that come with them leave a sticky residue that actually attracts dirt later. The carpets look clean immediately after you use the machine, but they very quickly appear dirty again. Hiring a professional who uses a truck-mounted steam cleaner may provide you with better results over the long haul, even if it's more expensive initially. The professional may pre-treat stained areas with a cleaning solution, but the actual cleaning is done when steam is forced into the fibers of the carpet. The steam breaks the hold of the dirt and grime on the carpet fibers so that they can be sucked up and away by the vacuum. Because steam is a gas, not a liquid, the carpet is damp but never completely saturated with water. The result is a carpet that dries more quickly and stays cleaner longer, so you don't have to clean it as often.